Hello guys, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning how to skip the recycle bin for deleting files on Windows 10 PC. It means we are normally deleting a file, that file go to recycle bin. After we empty the recycle bin or delete that file from recycle bin for permanently deleted. But we are using a trick, that is, if you delete any file from your Windows folder, that file not go to the recycle bin, it is directly deleted permanently, and you cannot restore that file using recycle bin, but you can restore that file using some other software like recovery softwares. Okay, I'm opening my videos folder. You can see there is a video. I'm just deleting that video. Delete. It is deleted, but actually that file is not deleted, it is go to the recycle bin. I can easily restore that file from here. You can see that file is come here, but whenever you're deleting that file, just press the shift key, then press the delete option. That time your computer is asking, are you sure that if you want to permanently delete this file, then click OK. That file is permanently deleted from your computer. Opening recycle bin, there is no file. Okay, you can use shift key for delete files permanently from your Windows PC. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.